Picture this, a young entrepreneur named Mike, with only a few $100s to his name, but with a dream to make it big. Mike wasn't born with a silver spoon in his mouth and didn't have a hefty bank account or a wealthy uncle to fund his dreams. All he had was an idea and a basement that doubled as his office. He started a small online business from this very basement, one step at a time. Slowly but surely, his venture began to grow. He poured his heart and soul into his work, often working late into the night. His small capital didn't hold him back. Instead, it fueled his determination to prove that success isn't measured by the size of your initial investment, but by the strength of your ideas and the courage to make them a reality. Mike's journey is a testament that success isn't all about having huge capital, but rather, it's about having a profitable idea and the courage to start. Are you also like Mike? Someone with a big idea but limited capital? There's no reason to worry. Welcome back, freedom seekers, to Unchained Earnings, your ultimate destination for escaping the limits of the 9-to-5 grind and soaring into the unlimited skies of entrepreneurship. So are you buckled up? We are on the verge of revelation, balancing on the edge of life-changing information. This is it, folks. The rise of dropshipping. If you've been on Instagram or TikTok recently, you've probably seen influencers hype the benefits of dropshipping as a successful side hustle. But is it truly worth the investment? Today, we'll delve deep into the world of dropshipping, looking at its business model, profitability, and how much you can earn on prominent sites like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. So what exactly is dropshipping? It's a business model that's transformed e-commerce. Consider being able to sell things without having to manage inventory, shipping, or storage. This is how it works. In the world of dropshipping, the process starts with choosing the product or products you wish to sell, and then finding a suitable supplier who carries those items. The next step is to build up an online store and list your chosen products. When a buyer puts an order, the supplier handles the logistics of packing and delivery, which is what makes dropshipping so appealing. This unique business strategy allows entrepreneurs to focus on critical factors such as marketing and customer service while limiting their involvement in operational complexities. Dropshipping's inexpensive startup expenses make it an especially intriguing alternative for people with minimal initial resources looking to enter the world of e-commerce. Now let's look at the financial aspect of dropshipping. The burning question on everyone's mind: how much money can you make as a dropshipper? After a year of navigating this business strategy, you may expect to make between $1,000 and $3,000 per month, with profit margins ranging from 10% to 30%.
Ooh.
When we break down dropshipping incomes, we come across different levels of dropshippers, each with its own earning potential. Beginner A. This category contains newcomers with a newly established store, who normally earn roughly $1,000 each month. Beginner B. These are the newbies who hit gold with a winning product but may lack extensive marketing skills. Intermediate. Those in the intermediate level are actively exploring marketing methods, with potential revenues ranging from $1,000 to $5,000. Advanced dropshippers are masters in automated business operations, with the potential to earn up to $10,000 per month. Shifting our emphasis to other platforms, let's investigate the prospective earnings in the dropshipping landscape. Amazon's monthly earnings might range from $1,000 to an astonishing $50,000 per month. Key success elements include a well-known brand, high demand, low competition items, excellent customer service, and competitive price. On the other hand, the average dropshipper on eBay earns $2.67 per sales order. The top 10% can generate nearly 6 figures each year. Lastly, Shopify stores have the ability to make anywhere from $100,000 to $100,000 per month. While a more conservative estimate is between $1,000 and $2,000, Shopify's scalability allows for considerably larger earnings. The power of blogging. Before we get into how to turn your passion into wealth through blogging, let's first define what blogging is. Blogging is a powerful tool that allows people to share their ideas, expertise, and hobbies with a global audience. It's more than simply an online diary. It's a tool for connecting people, expressing creativity, and yes, making money. Whether your hobbies are in travel, fashion, technology, or food, blogging allows you to interact with like-minded people and potentially turn your passion into a profitable business. Now that we've looked at the interesting world of blogging and its potential, let's go more into the money element. Many people question, how much money can you actually make as a beginner blogger? According to Millennial Money, after just 2 years of growing traffic and followers, bloggers can earn up to $100,000 per year. On the other hand, bloggers might earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month in their first year. So how can you make your blog a profitable venture? Here are some practical methods to help you improve your skills and monetize your blogging efforts. First, select a niche that is relevant to your hobbies and has real income potential. The more narrow and targeted your specialty, the better. Next, grow your blog content by continuously writing entertaining and informative entries. Regular updates are critical to keeping your audience coming back for more. Building a reputation is similarly crucial. Position yourself as an authority in your chosen sector. Engage your audience and build a community around your site. Promoting and growing your blog is essential to increasing your reach. Use social media, SEO, and other marketing methods to attract more visitors. Monetization is essential, and one approach to create revenue directly from your blog is to include advertising, such as display adverts. Another option is to provide premium memberships, which provide users with special content or privileges in exchange for a price, generating a consistent cash stream. Consider diversifying your money streams by selling products relevant to your expertise, if applicable. Becoming an affiliate and collaborating with businesses can also be beneficial, as you will earn a commission for marketing their products or services.
Interesting.
Affiliate marketing, at its foundation, is a performance-based marketing strategy. Businesses pay people, known as affiliates, to promote and sell their products. These affiliates are paid a commission every time they bring in a new customer for the company. So, how do you join an affiliate program? It's simple. First, look for an affiliate program on sites such as Amazon, Share a Sale, CJ, or Linkshare. Next, select the items you wish to promote, receive your unique affiliate link, and begin marketing them across your various channels. You can promote these products using blogs, social media accounts, websites, and communities. Many people find it to be a low-cost side hustle that can eventually lead to a profitable business. Now let's talk about earnings. According to Glassdoor, the average annual income for a salaried affiliate marketer is approximately $59,060. But what about freelancers or business owners that run their own affiliate marketing campaigns? More than half make $10,000 or less per year, with approximately 33% earning $10,000 or more. But here's the catch. These figures indicate income, not profit. The net profit, or actual take-home pay after expenses, is what matters. Most full-time affiliate marketers typically earn between $30,000 and $50,000 per year. So, are you ready to get started with affiliate marketing? Here is a brief guide. First, choose a niche, something you excel at, such as a pastime or lifestyle. Next, choose a content channel, such as a specialty website, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or email list. Create and market your content. Affiliate marketing is content-driven, thus mastering content generation is essential. Whether it's blog articles, videos, or photographs, providing high-quality content is essential. To optimize your revenues, look for the top affiliate programs with larger commissions. Amazon is a good place to start, but there are also programs that pay 5%, 10%, and even 50% commissions. Boost your conversion rates by optimizing your website, employing high-quality graphics, and generating compelling calls to action. We've reached the end of our adventure today, but remember that every end is a new beginning. This video shows you the path to progress and the full life of riches and freedom you've always desired. Don't forget, no successful journey is undertaken alone. So, if you enjoyed and learned from this video, please like it. Please share your ideas and experiences in the comments. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you will join a community of like-minded people and ensure that you keep connected and up to speed on all of the wisdom we will provide in the future. Remember, every step you take on this path is important. It's time to break free from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job, seize control, and become your own boss. So let us continue to grow together, dream big, and make those aspirations a reality. Until next time, friends, this is Unchained Earnings signing off. But before we go, remember, keep smiling, keep learning, and above all else, stay unchained.